Want a home that feels calmer, cleaner, and way easier to manage? These genius Amazon finds are all about cutting daily stress, simplifying routines, and making every corner of your space work smarter for you. From effortless organization to clever everyday helpers, each pick is designed to make home life feel smoother and more relaxing. All product links are in the description below. This isn't just a regular faucet upgrade, it turns your sink into a smart cleaning station. The built-in light changes color to show water temperature instantly, so you always know if it's cold, warm, or hot without guessing. A pull-out spray gives you full 360-degree control, making it easy to rinse dishes, clean the sink, or even wash pets. You also get different spray modes, so you can switch from gentle flow to powerful cleaning in seconds. It's a simple way to make everyday washing faster, safer, and way more convenient. Laundry just got seriously upgraded in a way you probably didn't expect. This smart washing machine lets you run 3 separate washes at the same time, so you can clean different types of clothes without waiting for multiple cycles. It's like having 3 mini machines working together in one system. Each section can run its own settings for temperature and time, giving you full control over every load. It's designed to save you time, water, and effort while still getting everything properly clean in one go. Ever struggle to stay focused and lose track of time? This visual timer makes time feel simple and easy to follow at a glance. Just flip it over and the LED display instantly starts counting down, helping you stay on task without checking your phone. You can set it anywhere from short study bursts to longer focus sessions, depending on what you're doing. It's perfect for studying, cooking, workouts, or building daily routines, and it also looks like a clean, modern desk accessory while it works. Imagine being able to print anything without sitting at a big, noisy machine. This portable printer lets you do exactly that, right from your phone or laptop. It connects wirelessly and prints documents, notes, or tickets in seconds using special ink-free paper. You don't need ink at all, which keeps things clean and simple wherever you are. Compact and lightweight, you can easily carry it in your bag and print on the go from home, office, or even while traveling. Taking your pet out usually means carrying bowls, bottles, and snacks separately, but this all-in-one bottle fixes that instantly. It gives your dog fresh water on one side and a small food container on the other, so you're always prepared during walks or trips. You can control the flow with one hand, making it super easy when you're on the move. A leak-proof design keeps your bag dry, while a built-in filter helps keep water cleaner. It's a simple, smart way to keep your pet happy and hydrated anywhere you go. Ever wished you could zoom into the tiny world hiding all around you? This pocket microscope turns everyday objects into a full science adventure right in your hands. It magnifies up to 1,000 times, letting you explore things like leaves, fabric, and insects in surprising detail on a clear, built-in screen. The simple focus controls make it easy even for kids to use without frustration. With built-in lighting and photo capture, you can even save your discoveries and show them off later like a real young scientist. Ever tried relaxing on the couch only to realize your drink has nowhere safe to sit? This soft couch caddy fixes that instantly by turning your sofa or bed into a personal mini table. It holds cups, snacks, remotes, and even your phone in dedicated slots so everything stays within reach. The padded design keeps your drink steady and helps prevent annoying spills. It's lightweight, easy to move, and perfect for movie nights, gaming, or just lounging without getting up. Your desk can finally stop feeling boring with this glowing pixel display that turns into anything you want. It connects to your phone and lets you design or download pixel art, animations, and even fun messages in seconds. The bright LED grid brings your creations to life, making your setup look like a mini digital billboard. You can switch themes anytime, from clocks to gaming visuals to mood animations. It's perfect for your room, workspace, or gaming setup when you want something that feels alive and personal. Step into a calming little ocean right on your desk. This jellyfish lamp creates a glowing underwater world that instantly pulls your attention in. 2 floating jellyfish drift smoothly through water, moved by a quiet motor that keeps everything peaceful and relaxing. You can switch between multiple colors to match your mood or room vibe. It even works as a soft ambient light that helps you unwind, focus, or just enjoy the hypnotic motion after a long day. Ever knocked over a soda can and watched it spill everywhere? This simple lid fixes that instantly by snapping onto your can and sealing it tight. It turns your drink into a spill-proof cup with a built-in straw, so you can sip easily without worrying about messes. The soft silicone design fits most standard cans and feels smooth to use every time. It's reusable, easy to clean, and perfect for keeping your drink safe, whether you're at home, work, or on the go. Running out of battery right when you need your phone most is the worst. This magnetic charger snaps onto the back of your phone and starts powering it instantly. No cables, no hassle. Its slim design keeps things lightweight, so it won't feel bulky in your hand or pocket. The built-in foldable stand lets you prop your phone up for videos or calls while it charges. And with a 5,000 mAh battery, you get a reliable boost wherever you go. Your toothbrush goes everywhere, but so does dust and germs. This simple cover keeps your brush head clean and protected wherever you store it. It clips on in seconds and fits most manual and electric toothbrushes, so you don't have to think twice. Small ventilation holes let air flow through, helping your brush dry faster and stay fresh. Toss it in your bag, leave it in the bathroom. Either way, you get cleaner brushing every time. Ever wish your lights just knew when you needed them? These wireless under-cabinet lights turn on the second you walk by, lighting up dark spaces instantly. A built-in motion sensor detects movement and shuts off automatically, saving you battery without you thinking about it. The soft, glare-free LEDs are bright but easy on your eyes. No wiring, no hassle. Just stick them anywhere and recharge when needed. Microwave messes don't have to be part of your routine. This magnetic splatter cover keeps your food contained while it heats, so your microwave stays clean. It sticks right to the ceiling when not in use, saving space and keeping it within easy reach. Built-in steam vents let moisture escape, so your food heats evenly without getting soggy. Just pop it on, heat your meal, and forget about scrubbing later. Working out just got a serious upgrade. This smart music boxing machine turns every punch into a rhythm game you actually want to play. Lights flash in sync with your music, helping you stay on beat while you train. You can track your punches, speed, and calories right from an app, so you see real progress. It's wall-mounted, space-saving, and built tough to handle hit after hit without making a ton of noise. Say goodbye to rough, cracked feet with this electric foot callus remover. It comes with 3 quartz grinding heads, so you can tackle everything from stubborn, thick skin to daily maintenance, leaving your feet smooth and soft. 2 adjustable speeds keep it safe and effective, automatically stopping if too much pressure is applied. Waterproof and rechargeable, You can use it right after a shower and enjoy up to 90 minutes of cordless power. With a clear LED battery display and easy USB charging, foot care has never been this simple or satisfying. Say goodbye to messy craft sessions with this silicone painting mat. Its extra thick surface and raised edges keep paint, resin, and other liquids from spilling onto your table. The built-in cup and palette wells hold pigments and small tools, keeping everything organized and within reach while you work. Soft silicone edges make long crafting sessions comfortable, so your elbows aren't sore by the end. When you're done, just wipe or rinse it clean. Creative spaces have never been this easy to maintain. Turn your shower into a mini concert with this waterproof phone holder and Bluetooth speaker. The 360-degree rotating mount lets you watch videos or follow recipes hands-free while keeping your phone safe from water. Its touch-sensitive case keeps your screen fully responsive, so you can swipe, tap, and control your music without hassle. The built-in speaker delivers clear sound for songs, calls, or podcasts while you enjoy aqua shower play. Easy to stick on walls or mirrors, it's perfect for phones under 7 inches and makes bathroom entertainment effortless. Bring a little retro magic to any room with this mini game-inspired nightlight. Its classic question mark design lights up your space with warm yellow LEDs while protecting your eyes from harsh glare. Press it once and you hear the iconic coin sound, or hold it for silent mode, fun and easy for kids and adults alike. USB powered and compact, it fits anywhere without taking up space. Perfect as a playful gift, it's both a nightlight and a tiny nostalgic decoration. No more fighting for freezer space or dealing with bulky ice trays. This collapsible silicone ice mold gives you a smart way to make and store ice at home or while traveling, all in one compact container. The flexible silicone body makes it easy for you to pop the ice out without twisting or cracking a hard tray. Once filled, it saves space neatly in the freezer and packs easily for road trips, camping, or small kitchens. It's one of those simple little tools that makes cold drinks easier wherever you are. Cleanup just became part of the fun. This clever toy vacuum scoops up building bricks, doll accessories, and other tiny pieces in seconds while separating out dust, crumbs, and even pet hair so the toys stay clean and ready to use. Because it's cordless and rechargeable, you can move it around easily without any annoying wires getting in the way. The removable baskets let you dump the toys and dirt separately, making cleanup quick and mess-free. Best of all, it turns a boring chore into something kids actually enjoy doing. Sweeping gets a serious upgrade with this touchless dustpan vacuum. Instead of bending down and chasing that last stubborn line of dirt, you simply sweep dust, pet hair, food crumbs, or salon clippings right toward it, and the motion sensors switch on the powerful suction automatically. The strong motor pulls everything in fast, making hard floors look clean in seconds. Its high-efficiency filters help trap dust and return cleaner air, which makes it even better for busy homes with pets. Nothing gets a room louder faster than a game everyone can jump into at once. This 4-player tabletop air hockey battle turns your living room into a mini arcade, where you use color-coded paddles to smack the ball and protect your zone. Every missed shot costs you a health point, so each round feels tense, competitive, and wildly fun. LED lights and hit sound effects make every save feel more exciting and every miss feel dramatic. Baking gets a whole lot easier when you stop separating eggs one by one. This clever egg separator lets you crack eggs continuously, sending the yolks one way while the whites flow neatly into the tray below. The adjustable opening helps you fine-tune the split so it works smoothly with different egg sizes and gives you cleaner results. It's especially handy when you're making cakes, meringues, or prepping large batches in a busy kitchen. The detachable tray also makes cleanup quick, so you spend less time washing and more time cooking. Your living room can feel like a personal spa in seconds. This full-body massage mat works from your neck all the way down to your feet, using vibration, kneading, and soothing heat to help melt away tension after a long day. The detachable neck pillow and separate foot massager let you focus on the spots that need the most relief, giving you a more customized experience. With the remote, you can easily change zones, strength, heat, and even set a timer so the session feels just right for you. When you're done, it folds away neatly so comfort never turns into clutter. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.